Check out this Kodak Easyshare model Z712 IS. It's a nice little black little camera. It's got a nice flash that pops up right here, as you can see, really nice. It has a lens cap, as you can see here. To turn it on, all you have to do is just hit the power button right here. And you can see that extends the lens and activates the screen just like you see here. Also, you can shut the screen off and you can actually use the viewfinder to actually see when you're taking photos. Playback is perfect. It has review. It has all the different settings on top here, as you can see. So you can do automatic, um, all different types of manual, all kinds of settings. Just turn the dial. Really easy, as you can see here. Super easy to use, super compact. It is a nice quality little camera. I love this. The lens cap, it's got a great lens on it. You can see the lens right here. Really nice condition. Just a great little all-around camera. Two AA batteries go right here in the bottom, right here. Super easy. You don't have to go buy expensive batteries, just AA batteries. Easy to use, easy to format, and the card goes in here. Takes a little memory card. It goes right here, and that's where that goes. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching.